Hello. Yes. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. We can use the in the front. Okay, guys, how's it going? Writing comments is not supported for Facebook channels. Oh.
Hi, everyone.
I can't write comments. So, but that's okay. I'm going to be on that, right?
I don't know if you are because my phone's not popping up with
Internet? It's that one. Hello, everyone. Hi, Kathy.
Oh, there it is.
Hello, El Senor. We moved to Okinawa November 22nd, 2022.
November 22nd.
Oh,
Oh, we moved to Okinawa.
yeah.
Whoa,
Awesome.
Awesome.
Well, you'll get to see a little bit. Beach was cool. All right, thank you. We're going to Manzamo. I don't know. Manzamo. We got a new phone mount, and I'm loving it. You can see us so much better.
Hi, Kat.
And it's easier to reach.
You're gonna have so much fun. It's a great place to have a family. It's so pretty, El Senor.
Hi, Sai. Looking forward to the drive. Hey, Tony. We're just we just finished eating. We are at, let's see.
We're just getting everything booted up like we normally do.
Yep, here's the 7-Eleven that we're parked in front of. All right. Got a new phone mount. I'm using a different app, not the Facebook app, to live stream this.
So I know
Got
some
my
of
laptop.
Some
all
of you
kinds
guys
of
are
nice stuff.
new. Hello, my name is Kit. This is my husband, Matt. We are both YouTubers here on the island, but every weekend, on Sunday for us, Saturday for you guys, we like to spend time hanging out with you guys, going on drives and stuff. So, eventually we'll probably just change the name to Hang Out with Matt and Kit Live.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that.
Let's see here. I am just doing one last thing, and then we're gonna head off.
Hey, Paul. What'd we have today? I just had a couple of onigiris. I had a shrimp mayo onigiri and a just a beef onigiri, which is like the rice ball with the meat or whatever inside. Mel, yep, it's our new car. Ohayo gozaimasu. Aloha. Hey, Nestor, Ray, Mel. We're just gonna get going here.
Yep.
Hi, Sai from Vancouver.
Canada?
That's
Awesome. All
that's
right. We're starting the drive. So we're trying a new setup today. Normally we stream this on Facebook Live or Facebook app, but we're using a different thing today. It's called Prism. It's specifically for more gamers to stream to. But
I don't think so.
let us know if you guys have any, notice any issues or differences. We're trying a different setup today.
Oh yeah, let us know if it looks better or it streams
Worse
better,
or-
worse.
Yeah, let us know.
It looks like it's doing a lot better in my
Looks
opinion.
very
I could
sharp.
read the comments and stuff.
Oh, you're in South Carolina. We have a friend, coworker from South Carolina. The drive is about 31 minutes, according to the GPS, but GPS cannot be trusted.
And then we'll walk around a bit.
So in total, the live will probably be about an hour.
Trying to adjust you guys here. I think that looks all right. You can kind of see the phone mount thing, but
Can you move your phone a little bit more?
what do you mean? It's all the way.
See, this is why the other one was fine.
Well, I can move that though. Looks good. We froze a couple times, but not bad. Hello. Looks better so far, all says.
Good.
Cool. So right now we're on,
Is that just, oh, that's just mine.
no, I lowered the quality because I didn't want to pull all the data.
Next time we gotta figure out how to overlay the map.
Yeah, there might be a way to do it because I could read the comments a lot better on this one. I already like that.
Yeah, that's really awesome. Alright. Heading for a drive.
Not just one comment.
No, it's fine. I apparently went the wrong way. No, I didn't. We're okay.
Yeah, so we are clear pick, nice quality. Cool.
I don't know if it's any stabler. Look at me speaking English.
It looks like it's shaking a bit. I think some of it might be the phone mount though. It's extended really far.
Yeah, I think the other one was a lot more stable.
Well, I can bring this in now. Oh, there we go. I got rid of the arm, and it's more stable.
Noise.
Oh yeah, looks good. Eric, Matt, I thought I saw you on Thursday. I received a letter from a lawyer. Oh.
What?
Addressed to Enrich Becker. Eric.
Oh, Eric.
Yeah.
That's probably Matt.
Where did you see me?
Eric's on the island?
Video's very shaky.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like it. Matt bought a phone mount yesterday that's different from the one I normally get. Yeah, that's pretty shaky. I don't know how to fix that. We might have to go and get the other phone mount.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe this one will be less shaky.
Yeah, you see all everything.
Oh, you can see. Let us know if that's less shaky. Normally that one's the less shaky one.
Oh, you thought of me when you saw the letter. That's not gonna work, Kit. There's too much. Oh, maybe this actually isn't tight. I have it loose so that it moves around.
We need to get a gyroscope
Yeah.
mount. Or a GoPro. Actually, a GoPro would be really good for this.
Catch up with you guys later. Thank you for sharing. Hope to ask you some questions, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so. Where is Cape Manzamo? Manzamo. Which side of the island?
It is on the East China Sea side. It's a little past the Mermaid Grotto for those of you guys who know the island. It's it's in Onna village area.
Maybe there's a knob to tighten. Yeah. Hey, Joe.
If If this is too shaky, we'll have to go get the other one because we know that one works fine.
Yeah, it's looking really shaky.
You might have to hold it.
It might be the app too.
Could be. Do you want to stop and try it again? Let me pull forward.
Okay. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna start a new live. I'm gonna see if maybe Facebook does better. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Sorry, kicking you guys off for a second.